Hello everybody, this is Kostas Albanidis, and I'm gonna show you in a very short video the main options of the main menu, how you can use the main menu to Elementor and to your WordPress website. Okay, the first thing you're gonna have to do is to click to the header where the main menu is located, and over here you're gonna see that you have this small pencil. You can edit this menu, and when you click on this edit button, you're gonna see that over here on the left side you're gonna have the content, the style, and the advanced tab. Okay. As all of the elements in Elementor, to the content, it's the main stuff that we can arrange, and over here we can select which menu we want this menu to refer, and we can arrange the alignment and the pointer when we move from one menu to the other, what we would like to show, which menu we are navigating. Here I have the underline, but you can select the framed or the background. Okay, we have the animation and everything. Here the breakpoint is where to which analysis we turn from the desktop to the tablet. I don't think you have to touch it there. It's everything is correct and it's gonna work normally. But again, you have the ability to change the way that how it looks the button when you turn to the responsive, to a mobile, and here you have the normal hamburger. It's the this button, the one that you know. It's the one that you use a lot, and it's the 3 lines like that, and on that way you can arrange what's gonna happen when you do hover or when a menu is active. This is for the menu and the icon when we turn to the responsive. If you want to arrange the colors and everything for all those stuff that we talked, you can go to the style. As we said to other videos, the style button and the style tab, it gives us the ability to arrange what is going to happen and what color it's going to have when we are to a normal or when we hover over an item. You see that over here you can arrange what color and everything. It's gonna be with a drop down when we have a lot of menus, and there is a drop down menu, and here we can arrange even the toggle button. We can change the color and the background color and everything, and you can check the size and everything. But always, because the menu is very important and it's the main navigation of your site, it's very important to check how it's gonna look when you move from a tablet to a mobile, and if it's useful or not. Okay. So that is something that you can always check from here. Okay, responsive mode, and you get these icons up here, and you can navigate to these options. I hope it was a helpful video, and it gives you a hint about how the menu works and how you can edit the menu. If you like the video, like and share to your friends or people that you think that they're gonna find it useful, and why not subscribe and keep in touch. I want to wish you the best, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.